So this little guy's gotten trapped up here in this in the garage here at work. Managed to catch him. Now I'm going to let him go somewhere out. This is actually a mockingbird. You can see. He doesn't quite like being held. But they have about 20 different colors. They're very cool. Really? Oh, you so want to go. You'll thank me for this one day. Let's see if we can put him down in the tree without him getting too excited. Oh, he's gone. Successful landing in the tree over there. Oh, it's a beautiful day on the Rowland Institute. Oh look, there's his friend up there.